Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Micro SD, micro SDHC, or micro SDXC matters because file systems and capacities differ. Once you have the right card, make sure you orient it correctly. Metal contacts go down in most readers, but check the icon. Insert gently until it clicks or seats flush. If using an adapter, seat the micro card fully inside the adapter first. Do this now so you avoid bent pins, and ensure the reader will detect the card when connected. Once the card is seated, plug the reader into the correct port, USB-C on modern laptops or USB-A via an adapter. You want a direct physical connection for stable power and the fastest transfer speeds. After connecting, wait for your operating system to mount the card. Open your file manager and note the drive letter or mount point. If you don't see it, switch ports or adapters and watch for hardware sounds or status lights. Make sure not to format until you've backed up any important data. To finish, always use your operating system's eject or safely remove function. This completes pending writes and prevents corruption. Once the OS confirms it's safe, remove the reader and card. If files are missing or the card won't mount, reseat it and retry a different reader or port, and check the micro SD adapter's write protect switch. For physical or logical damage, use recovery software first. If that fails, seek professional data recovery. These steps minimize data loss and keep your card usable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.